What's up, YouTube? Colin7K here. Doing a sharpness video on this rod. I sharpen all my straight edge, plain edge spydercos with it. The Delica with the orange handles. Black clip. I do like that black clip. And the Tenacious for Spyderco. Did a review on that. And the Endura. You coming out maybe about a week or so, maybe. But I will do more videos. So just like the Delica, just a little bit bigger. Oops. But crap. Forgot my paper. So I will get back. I gotta go get some paper. See ya. Okay guys, sorry I kept you waiting. Hopefully you're still watching. But here's the paper. This old wrinkly old paper. So here we go. Let me move you guys up just a tiny bit. You can see the paper. There you go. Get this rod out of the way. I don't know what brand it is, so there's a little ring. It's pretty cool. It has like these little lines in it. I don't know if you guys can't really see that though. So here is the Delica. I might mess up a little because I'm not that good at it yet. But here we go. Ooh, maybe not. Here we go. What the heck? There you go. Got it. I don't think she can do diagonal, so down cutting pretty good. I just gotta keep sharpening it. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Hopefully you guys got that. Probably not. Get out of the way. There she goes. That's it for the Delica, because I only have one paper. So here is the Tenacious. She is razor sharp, guys. So we go. Got a little other cut here. Look at that. Hopefully I got that. But nice. Just razor. Basically just razor. Just got another cut, that's why it stopped. But here, one more for you. One good one. I'm gonna go that way. Okay, ready? Oh, come on. Ah, there. Actually pretty good. Now for the Endura, last but not least. I think I kind of messed these up, but I'm gonna get a Spyderco sharpmaker for Christmas, so be ready for that. Kinda good. I mean, my first time sharpening was nice. I just messed them up, but still. Still like them. Okay. That one was a good one. Sorry, my computer just turned black because I haven't moved them out so much. That was a good one. Another one. Ah, trying to get a good angle. Like that. Yeah, here's a good one. Here. Little one. So, not that good. I'll keep messing with them. But, there's all the rest of the paper. I'll scrap. As you can see, I am wearing my new Paracord bracelet. Wore it all day today. So, there you go. Hopefully I don't dull these even more. But, smallest to biggest. So, there you go, guys. That's another video for you. Right at about now, almost 6:05. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Yeah, thanks. See you later.